rapidly changing weather conditions and the latest statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Severe thunderstorm watch number 460 has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties: Northern New York, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Pike and Wayne. Here is the National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 461, effective until 7 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Pennsylvania: Monroe and Northampton. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development, including large winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons weather conditions and listen for later and possible weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 461 has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Monroe and Northampton. Carbon County in northeastern Pennsylvania, western Monroe County in northeastern Pennsylvania until 5:30 p.m. At 4:33 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over driven or near Hazleton, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour with dozens and quarter-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles if possible. Wind damage to roof, siding, trees, and power lines if possible. Locations impacted include Mount Pocono, Tobiana, Holman, Thorpe, Nesquehoning, Weatherly, Broadheadville, Conkletown, Pocono Pines, Gilbert, Pocono Basin County in northern Connecticut, central Berkshire County in western Massachusetts, northeastern Dutchess County in
What?
the following highways: northeast extension between mile markers 7, 3, and 7. Pennsylvania between mile markers 277 and 305. Interstate 380 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 9. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Carbon and Monroe. Here is
Why does he literally just...
the National
What?
Weather Service has
What?
issued severe thunderstorm watch
What?
number 464, effective until 10 p.m. Watch includes the following: Fairfield, Connecticut, and the following counties in New Jersey: Brighton, Essex, Hudson, Pittsburgh, Middlesex, Monmouth, Morris, Passaic, Somerset, Sussex, Union, and Warren, and the following counties in New York: Bronx, Brooklyn, Manhattan, Orange, Putnam, Queens, Staten Island, Rockland, and Westchester, and the following marine locations: Long Island Sound, west of New Haven, Connecticut to Port Jefferson, New York, and New York Harbor. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail.
I tell you to go up, but you don't. Stupid.
While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources. Commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 464 has been issued until 10 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Bergen, Essex, Hudson, Morris, Passaic, Somerset, Sussex, Union, and Warren, and the following counties in New York: any size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, fenders. Locations impacted include Rockland, California, Fremont, Jeffersonville, Georgia, Hiawatha, Calvin, Starlight, and Sunset. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following counties: Boston, New York, and Wayne, Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for West Central Sussex County in northwestern New Jersey, Western Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, East Central Carbon County in northeastern Pennsylvania, Southern Monroe County in northeastern Pennsylvania, Northern Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:25 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Gilbert, or 12 miles south of Mount Pocono, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Northeastern hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles. Interstate 80 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 298 and 314. Interstate 80 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 12. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Pennsylvania between mile markers 298 and 314. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey, Sussex, and the following counties. Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania until 6:15 p.m. At 5:46 p.m. Capable of producing a tornado was located over Columbia, or 18 miles northeast of Easton, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Tornado and all sides hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for the following New Jersey counties, Morris, Sussex, and Warren, Northampton County, Pennsylvania. Effective until 6:15 p.m. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a tornado warning for west central Morris County in northern New Jersey, southwestern Sussex County in northwestern New Jersey, northern Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, northeastern Northampton County, and eastern Pennsylvania. Until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:46 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Columbia, 18 miles northeast of Easton, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and ping-pong ball-size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Hackettstown, Blairstown, Pope, Andover, Great Meadows, Vienna, Allamuchy, Panther Valley, Greendale, Long Valley, Columbia, Town, Bud Lake, Portland, and Town. This includes Interstate 80 in New Jersey between mile markers 3 and 24. Precautionary/preparedness actions. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
What?
Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Morris County, southwestern Sussex County in northwestern New Jersey, northeastern Warren County in northwestern New Jersey until 7 p.m.
Oh, great.
At 6:05 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Allamuchy, Panther Valley, or 9 miles south of Newton, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: intact. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Morristown, Dover, Madison, Hopatcong, Florham Park, East Hanover, Lincoln Park, Kinlaw, Hackettstown, Chatham, Boonton, Butler,
Yes.
Morton, Rockaway, Morris Plains, Mount Arlington, Mendham, Mountain Lake, Stanhope, and Riverdale. This includes the following highways: Interstate 80 in New Jersey between mile markers 15 and 48. Interstate 287 in New Jersey between mile markers 32 and 54. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Morris, Sussex, and Warren.